Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the 10th generation Honda Civic Touring. We're going to be replacing our front lip, and since we have the front bumper off, since we're changing the headlights, I wanted to change the front lip as well. So the front lip we have on right now is pretty poor quality. It's glossy over here, but then right here it becomes kind of a matte colored finish. So it doesn't match very well, so we're going to be replacing it with a new front lip, which is right over here. All right, first part is going to be this. So we need to figure out how we're going to put this in. So I'm assuming right there. Now we're just putting a couple more self-tapping screws just to make it fit as flush as possible. So this is what the front lip looks like now that we have it installed on the car. The blue is not a perfect match, but it matches well enough to look OEM plus. Doesn't stick out too far in front of the car. Pretty happy with it so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.